Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Nipa here from Paper Petals, and today we are going to learn how to age paper and make it look like vintage paper or paper which has been many years old. I'm going to try this in two ways. One is I'm going to try it with coffee powder. This is 1 tablespoon coffee mixed with 1.5 tablespoon of water. And this is brown acrylic paint, 3 to 4 drops mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. I have taken 4 pieces of paper, 2 of newspaper and 2 of sunlit bond paper, which is printer paper. I have randomly cut the edges of one of these papers and the newspaper just to try how it looks. This paper, I'm just going to crumple it in front of you and then try to pour coffee or paint over it and see how it turns out. I am trying this for the first time, and if it works, well and good. Otherwise, all these things go into the into the dustbin. First, I'm going to apply acrylic paint on this piece of paper. So I'm using a sponge to apply it. And then I have to leave it for drying. On the next piece, I'm going to apply coffee and see how the effect comes with another piece of sponge. You can even leave a little bit of white spaces if you want to. I'm leaving it like this to dry. The next piece of paper, I'm just going to make 2 folds and then apply coffee on this and leave it to dry. Now I'm going to pour all this acrylic paint with water in this dish and then soak this newspaper with random cut edges in it. Again, I'm going to leave this to dry. These are just to see different effects, how we'll get them. That's why I'm trying all these different things. Now this crumpled paper, I'm going to put in acrylic paint. And leave it to dry. Now I'm pouring this coffee into this plate and I'm going to crumple this newspaper and see how the effect comes. I'm going to leave this for drying too. And finally this last piece of paper in coffee again. And once all this dries, I'll be back again to show you how it looks like. Hopefully everything turns out good and it does look like vintage paper. Keeping fingers crossed. Hi, the papers have dried and I'm back again to show you the effect of the papers. This is acrylic paint. This is also acrylic paint but in a lighter color. This was the crumpled paper that I had used. The newspaper did not turn out as effective as I thought it would be, so I burnt the edges to give that vintage look to it. These are all coffee papers. This is the one which we had folded, coffee paper. And again, this is the burnt effect I had to give that vintage look to the newspaper. So newspaper, I think, does not give the right vintage look with this coffee or acrylic paints. So give it a try to all this and see where you can use them. I'm surely going to use them in one of my scrapbooks or cards or gift tags or something. Come out with it and show me what you all have done. Thank you for watching and I'm hoping to see you all soon again. Bye bye.